Today, as buildings grow taller and water management becomes more complex, we face more pain points, but also greater opportunities. The smart water management market is growing fast, from $7.5 billion in 2024 to over $21 billion by 2033. The trend is clear. Smarter, data-driven water management is no longer optional. That's where IoT comes in. And that's where Milesight IoT-Based smart water management solutions makes a difference. We bring real-time visibility into your water system. No wiring, no hassle. We read meters remotely at both master and endpoint water meters. Track pressure across pumps and pipes at main inlets and distribution points. Keep your fire systems ready with full tanks and stable pressure. Catch leaks early at the endpoints and help shut off valves automatically when problems arise. Smarter alerts, live data, actionable insight, safer buildings. All with Milesight. Contact us today to learn how.